O is for our outward expressions, our facial expressions. So much can happen right up in this part of our face, our eyebrows. Learn to incorporate them, recruit them into your presentation. The more you can use your eyebrows, the more you're showing your audience you're open, you're expressive, and the more welcoming you are to your audience. So learn to use them. Think of actors like Jack Nicholson or George Clooney or the character Spock. They all use their eyebrows for really good emphasis. Practice using them, bring them in, open your face up. Secondly, your mouth. Number one thing we can do, me included, is to smile more in your presentation. Even if it's a serious presentation, practice on little breaks, bringing the smile in. Not a creepy smile, but a good full smile to help your audience feel comfortable. We want our audience to feel like they can trust us. So what we can do with our face is open it up, smile more, and our audience will trust us more and will listen to us and be willing to be changed because of our outward expressions. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson from my 2017 e-course. Today, I still teach groups and leaders how to present well. If that's you, if you really need to know how to present well, reach out. I'd love to help.